What's going on, guys? ℎ𝕗𝐻rispect, the wise guy on Instagram. We're gonna take a tour around one of my favorite stores to do retail arbitrage in. That's right, guys, we're in the DOLLARAMA. So let's show you some cool finds. Ready? Beer pong. Ninja Turtle backpack. Ninjas Suicide Squad. Peter LaFleur. Giant Asian hornet. Fleece jacket for dogs. Ninja Turtles. Hatch-em-all puzzles. Spider-Man boxing glove. How's it look so far, guys? Lots and lots of books. Travel pillows. Light bulbs. Love. Pooper scooper. Lots of Halloween stuff. Boo. Christmas. Pantyhose. Accessories. Baby cups. L'Oreal. I sell a lot of this stuff every day on Amazon. Leave me a comment and follow. What's going on, guys? ℎ𝕗𝐻rispect here. We are scanning puzzles and little toys to see if we can find any gems. We've got a Dory puzzle here. Lenticular puzzle. It's a cool little puzzle. $8 though for that, so that's not much profit available on that. I'll fix up their aisle while we're looking. We got a Trolls lenticular puzzle. Nothing on that. Pokemon. Gotta scan all the different ones. $12.99. Can get these for $4, so the problem is there's no profit left over. Hello Kitty. We got a Popper game by Hello Kitty. To scan the barcode. $10.95. No money. Frozen. No good rank. Got some sort of cats. Coloring for mindfulness. $25. 134 rank. Paperback. Make sure. Let's double check that. $19.95, but no rank. No good. Ooh, Slinkies. 400, but $5. 3D puzzles. Now this is actually their brand, Mono Toy, but has a sticker, so probably won't sell. Heroes. Nothing there. PJ Masks. Let's check the barcode. It's a good price. $3 for this. $3 for this. It sells for $15. So let's just type that in. We'll go $3.36. Plus probably about 25 cents to ship to Amazon. I can double my money with this particular one, so that's a really good find. Want me to scan the barcode on this one? Nothing, so let's scan the cover. Again, same rank, so we'll take a couple of those PJ Mask puzzles to the bank. We'll get a few of those. How about Hatch-em-alls? No money in Hatch-em-alls. Nothing there. Match game. That's a good one. Dino Trucks match game. Paw Patrol. That's a good one as well. $20 for this one. Memory game. That's a good one. Shadow Pets. No money on that one. I think Paw Patrol has the most money, so we'll get all the Paw Patrols. Because we got a $20 sell on that, and it's a 9K rank, so we'll definitely collect all of these. memory games. Get them all. Get that stack there. How about this one by Alina? Crappy rank for that one. So we'll pass on those. How about cars? Crappy price. And we're back to Dino Trucks. Dino Trucks, how's that look? Okay price. How about Despicable Me? No rank. How about Princess? $14.99, not the greatest of prices. Ooh, pajamas. Crappy price. Oh, so not bad. Found these ones, 20 bucks. Found about 5 of them. We'll go with those.